When you are working with different design system, you might come across a scenario where you have a design system and when I click on the variable, it doesn't have any token inside it. It is completely blank. And when I select a component within that particular system which has been there, it has a value which is coming from the style. Now, how we can make this system more scalable? So rather than doing it manually, we come up with an approach where we as a team are able to achieve this thing in less than 3 minutes. And I will show you step by step approach how we have done that. So these are the 3 steps that we have done. So from business point of view, doing it manually doesn't make any sense. It's not effective at all. It will use the resources and the time, which is much valuable. And so these 3 steps will help us to do this thing automatically. As of now, we don't have any variable in this file. We will run the plugin style to variable. Our tokens are generated in a collection called colors. We completed our first step. Now we will connect the token to the component. I will run the plugin called apply variable. Select the swap by name. Here I will select the local. Select the color, which is the recent collection that we created. And I want to apply it on this particular page. So complete page will get changed. Let's see and check this out. Fine. Okay, now it is applied. So if I select any one of this thing, instead of circle, now it should showing as a square and it is coming directly from the token that we recently created. So we already completed step number 2. I will mark this one as check and we will move to the next one. Replace the token with the own design system that we have. I already connected my design system in the asset right now. On the file, I am right now on the button page. Now what makes this one super scalable is from here we have achieved to this level which is right in the center. This is scalable because the tokens are coming directly from the variable itself. We want to apply our custom system. So this what you see here is a semantic token which is coming right from the system that we have attached to this file. Now this is the most crucial step of the process. I want to use a token which is already been present in my design system. I will go to my design system and this is the collection I have. I will have a collection name color token and within that I have a token name as bj-primary-500. This is what I want to use it in the demo file. I will go to the demo file and here I will go to the area where our component is lying. I will select any rectangle here, or if there is no rectangle, you can create one rectangle. And I will apply the same token which is there. So I will double check that token is applied. And I will tell you why we are doing this exercise. Before we run this plugin, we need one reference in this file so that we can access the whole variable, or I will say whole collection of that particular token. So if I do this thing correctly, if I go down and run the plugin called find and replace variable, I will run this plugin. It will ask me whether do you want to change on current page or the whole file. So I will select the current page for safer side to do an initial check. I will select the 50 dash. This is what the color token that are using currently right now. So this token 50 dash primary, it has been used in 79 places in the component. So if I select and double check, this is where exactly that token is. Now I want to replace this token with the one that we have in our design system. So I will click on replace. Now you see this collection which is coming in. This collection is coming because we have used a reference in our file. So I will load it here and I will see background color dash primary. This is exactly what we are looking for. Click on replace and within few seconds this will get changed completely on this whole component. Now this component is updated. Let's double check that it's reflecting correctly. Yes. And this is also reflecting correctly.